Okay, so in this video I've done a little bit of tidying up on our real world website, and if we go back to our wireframe that we had right back at the beginning of this series, you'll see that well, actually, hang on, let's go back one other step. That we wanted to sort out the background, we wanted to sort out the layout, which we've done, so I can cross those off. Background done, layout done. Shape and color, we've got some shape and color now. If we look at the website, I've put in some rounded white text area, a rounded white area for the menu bar, rounded white area for the footer, sorry, rounded blue area for the footer and menu bar, and then this little thing here, this shape here is just to define the sidebar, and I can show you how I did that quickly in the tutorial. In the CSS. So we've got our body, our wrapper with a background here. We looked at RGBA colors, and then down here on the main box, which is if you remember, it's this box here. Number 4 is the main box in our wireframe. This box here, and what we've done is we have set a URL, and we've got this image called side, which I can show you what it looks like. It's pretty much just a hang on, let's just open this, see if we can open this in can we open this in if you just hover over it, then you can just see the shape down there. You can't see it very well, but it's just a sort of a simple blue pattern that's the same color as this header and this footer, this menu and this footer. And I've put that in, and I've put it just repeating going down the page, so no matter how long our main content area is, even if we made it height of 2000 pixels, then it would still reflect all the way down the page, just repeating itself going down the page with the earth behind, which is nice. So let's just take that height away again, because we don't need that. So that's how I put that side in, and I inset it by 20% so that it fit between the sidebar and the content. And all of this I had to play around with for a long time before it started working properly for me. So you do have to play with things and just let the creativity flow. So now what are we looking for? Well, we need to put in the header, and we need to put in the menu bar. So the header is very simple. You just stick in an image into the header section. So in the header we do the background again, background, and the URL, and I think the URL is header.png, header.png, and I say no repeat, and then I just save that, and that should do the job. Just have a quick look. There we go, we've got a nice header that I built there. We want to get rid of this test text here, so we'll just go to our HTML and get rid of this text. Save that. Oh, save that, and then we should see now that we now have a nice header that I designed. I just did some quick graphic design to stick this together. You should probably look at some graphic design courses to understand how to use a graphic design program to create an image like this. But it's pretty simple stuff. I just wrote out some words and stuck in an image there and an image there. And the general format I do use is I use a logo, a title, and then maybe some fancy pictures in the middle, and then a number to call, which is quite useful for small sort of project websites like this. Now, what I might do is stop here at 4 minutes, having tidied up the CSS part, part 2, and do another video on creating just the menu, because the menu is quite interesting, a little bit complex, but we're going to do a drop-down menu hopefully.